5 foods to avoid for optimal digestion and delightful taste. Optimal digestion is crucial for overall health and well-being. Certain foods can disrupt the digestive process and lead to discomfort, bloating, and other digestive issues. In this video, we will explore 5 foods that you should avoid for optimal digestion and also discuss alternative options to maintain a delightful taste in your meals. Fried and greasy foods. Fried and greasy foods are high in unhealthy fats that can slow down digestion and lead to indigestion. Avoiding foods like deep-fried snacks, fast food, and oily dishes can help maintain better digestive health. Alternative. Instead of frying, try grilling, baking, or steaming your foods. Using healthier cooking methods can retain the taste while reducing the negative impact on digestion. Processed and packaged foods. Processed and packaged foods often contain artificial additives, preservatives, and high amounts of salt and sugar. These ingredients can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria and lead to digestive discomfort. Alternative. Opt for whole and natural foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods are easier to digest and provide essential nutrients for better overall health. Carbonated beverages. Carbonated beverages, including sodas and sparkling drinks, can cause bloating and gas due to the carbonation. The bubbles in these drinks can accumulate in the digestive system and lead to discomfort. Alternative. Choose still water, herbal teas, or natural fruit-infused water to stay hydrated without the added carbonation. High-fat dairy products. High-fat dairy products like whole milk, cheese, and creamy desserts can be hard to digest for some people, especially those with lactose intolerance. Alternative. Opt for low-fat or plant-based milk alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk. Also, choose low-fat or reduced-fat versions of dairy products to reduce the fat content. Spicy and hot foods. Spicy and hot foods can irritate the digestive tract and cause heartburn and indigestion in some individuals. Alternative. Use milder spices and herbs to add flavor to your dishes. Ginger, turmeric, and fennel are excellent alternatives to enhance taste without causing digestive discomfort. Overall, avoiding these 5 foods and choosing healthier alternatives can greatly improve your digestive health and overall well-being. Optimal digestion not only prevents discomfort but also allows your body to absorb essential nutrients more efficiently. Remember to listen to your body and be mindful of how different foods affect your digestion. Maintaining a balanced and varied diet while avoiding foods that cause digestive issues will help you enjoy delightful meals without compromising on taste or health. As always, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific dietary concerns or digestive conditions.